Hi everyone, Josh here at All Properties Group, continuing on with our renovation series. We're still in the kitchen. Surprise, surprise, surprise. It's the biggest part of the house that has the most impact on value, and it's the thing that everyone talks about. Fourth tip, now this one's maybe going to be, there'd be a lot of people that are not going to agree with this, but this is my own personal opinion. When it comes to fridges, I'm a big fan of having a situation where the fridge is stood on its own against the wall. Now why is that? The thing is, when you design a kitchen, if you make everything so snug, you've got to have the exact size fridge that goes into that space. What we've got here in this situation, the way that it's been built, is at any stage along the way, if we need to upgrade, like upsize, downsize, change the size of the fridge, it doesn't end up looking out of place because it's now too small for the gap that's there, or end up in a situation where you go, I want a bigger fridge, but it won't actually fit in the space that's there. If you do it this way, sometimes it takes a little bit of thought for sure, but if you can have the fridge somewhat stood on its own, where you've got a space alongside of it, you're not limited with the size of the fridge that you then have to use moving forwards. If you'd like some more tips or anything else that we can help you with, if you're thinking about a renovation, I'd love the opportunity to come and talk to you at your home and see how my experience can help you with your upcoming renovation. Cheers.